In today's interconnected world, project management tools are no longer confined by geographical boundaries. Teams collaborating across continents and time zones are increasingly common, making multilingual support a crucial feature for any effective platform. If you're considering Basecamp for your project management needs and have team members who prefer or require working in a language other than English, you're likely wondering, is Basecamp available in other languages? As a seasoned project management expert, I understand the importance of seamless communication and accessibility for project success. A platform that caters to the linguistic diversity of a team fosters better understanding, reduces errors, and ultimately enhances collaboration. Let's delve into the current language capabilities of Basecamp and what this means for your global projects. The current language landscape of Basecamp. As of my latest knowledge in April 2025, Basecamp primarily operates in English. While this robust platform offers a wealth of features for task management, communication, and file sharing, its core interface, including menus, labels, and notifications, is predominantly in English. This might seem like a limitation for teams with members who are not fluent in English. Navigating a project management tool in a foreign language can introduce friction, slow down workflows, and even lead to misunderstandings. Imagine a team member struggling to interpret task instructions or participate effectively in discussions simply because of a language barrier. This is a challenge that multilingual support aims to address. Why multilingual support matters in project management. The benefits of a project management tool offering multiple language options are significant. Enhanced clarity and reduced miscommunication. When team members can interact with the platform in their native language, the chances of misinterpreting information or instructions are significantly reduced. This leads to clearer communication and fewer errors in project execution. Improved team collaboration. Language barriers can hinder effective collaboration. Providing a platform in multiple languages fosters a more inclusive environment where all team members can contribute confidently and efficiently, regardless of their English proficiency. Increased user adoption and engagement. Team members are more likely to actively use and engage with a tool they can understand easily. This leads to better data accuracy, more consistent updates, and ultimately, a more organized and transparent project. Global reach and scalability. For organizations with international teams or aspirations for global expansion, multilingual support is essential for seamless onboarding and integration of team members from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Better user experience. Working in a familiar language enhances the overall user experience, making the platform more intuitive and less daunting for non-English speakers. This can lead to increased productivity and satisfaction. Exploring potential workarounds and alternatives. While Basecamp's primary language remains English, there might be some potential workarounds or alternative approaches to consider. Browser translation tools. Modern web browsers often offer built-in translation features or extensions that can translate the content of a web page. While this can provide a basic understanding of the Basecamp interface, the accuracy and consistency of these translations might vary, and they might not always render the platform perfectly. Team-specific glossaries and documentation. For teams with specific language needs, creating internal glossaries of key Basecamp terms and developing multilingual project documentation can help bridge the language gap. However, this requires additional effort and might not address real-time communication challenges within the platform itself. Considering alternative multilingual project management tools. If multilingual support is a critical requirement for your team, it might be worth exploring other project management platforms that offer a wider range of language options. Many excellent tools in the market cater specifically to multilingual teams. The future of language support in project management tools. The trend towards globalization and remote work suggests that multilingual support will become increasingly important for project management tools. As the world becomes more interconnected, platforms that can seamlessly accommodate diverse linguistic teams will have a significant advantage. While I cannot speculate on Basecamp's future development plans, the demand for multilingual capabilities in collaborative software is undeniable. Project management tools that prioritize inclusivity and accessibility by offering broader language support are better positioned to serve the needs of a globalized workforce.